Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you here how you can create your TikTok shop. So first up, open your browser and then go to shop.tiktok.com and you will find this main website. Now here, if we're going to scroll down, shopping powered by TikTok. So features here are discovery, trusted creators, engaging communities, easy and safe shopping, and scalable ecosystems. Now it provides four native ways to shop, basically by live shipping, shoppable videos, product showcase, and shop top. Now TikTok shop for you. For example, if you are a seller, then these are the features that you can get: some campaign and promotion, direct creator and collaboration, and performance analysis. If you're a creator, then you can get quick and seamless experience, an all-in app experience, a 360 degrees offering, and a brand partnership and campaigns. And then if you are a partner, then new leads and collaborations, training and development, and rewards, incentives, and commission. And if you are affiliate, then here you can affiliate for sellers or affiliate for creators. Now in this sample, I'm going to select the seller. So I'm a seller, for example, and then we're going to click on the learn more button at the bottom left. Now the next page here, as you can see, you'll be asking to provide your portal you wish to log in. So here you just need to make sure that you select your region correctly according to where your target audience is. And this is actually important when it comes to advertising and making your product show up, etc. So just need to select this one, and I'm going to select Philippine seller. So you registered as a TikTok shop seller from Philippines. Okay, so click enter. Now here on the next page, you just need to enter your phone number if you have, and then log in your password, and then click login or log in with TikTok account. Now in this sample, I'm going to show you up how you can sign up. So basically click on the sign up button right there at the top right. So once you click on the sign up button, then you will now be taken into this page where you need to enter your information like your mobile phone number. Then you can add your password and then click on sign up or sign up with TikTok account. And then after that, TikTok will be asking you to provide your valid IDs or other legal documents that TikTok requires. So you need to make sure to ready all the requirements, including TIN or like business number. So make sure that you're prepared so you will be able to register to TikTok shop. Now you must remember that in TikTok policy, only one account is permitted per user or per identity. But if you want to have multiple accounts on TikTok shop, then basically you need to provide another business name or another documents. So that's all. That's how you basically creating your account on the TikTok shop. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.